Okay, we looked at Venn diagrams in the last video where you had a Venn diagram already constructed and you had to pull information from it. In this video, we're going to look at how you construct a Venn diagram from a whole load of words. Okay, so I've got an example written out here that we're going to look at. So it says, in a group of 80 people, or a group of 80 people were asked if they liked different fruit. 38 said they liked apples, 42 said they liked bananas, 14 said they liked cherries, 6 liked all fruit, 20 people liked apples and bananas, 10 of the people who liked cherries also liked bananas, and 6 people liked cherries and apples. And we've been asked to construct a Venn diagram. So when you are constructing your Venn diagram, obviously it needs to be in a box. We're going to need a circle for apples, a circle for bananas, and a circle for cherries, and they all need to overlap. Apples, bananas, cherries. Now when you are doing this, you need to work inside out. So you need to start in the middle and work your way out of the Venn diagram. Okay, so we're going to tick off the things as we go. 6 people liked all fruits. Now that's going to go in the middle because it's all of them. So that is our 6 that goes there. 20 people liked apples and bananas. So what that means is, in this overlapping bit of apples and bananas, so in this blue bit here, that has to add to 20. So if 6 people like all 3, that means 14 must like just apples and bananas. Okay, so that goes there. 10 of the people who liked cherries also liked bananas. So that means that the overlapping bit of bananas and cherries, which I'm drawing in pink here, that bit has to add to 10. So this here must have to be 4. We've done that bit. 6 people like cherries and apples. So that means in the overlapping bit of cherries and apples, this bit, red bit here, that has to add to 6. Well, we've already got 6 in there, so that's already done. Okay, then we can work our way outwards. So we've done all the middle bit, we've done the middle bit, then each of the overlapping bits, then we need to work outwards. So it says 38 people liked apples. So that means in the whole apple circle, which I'm drawing in red, that whole apple circle has to add to 38. Well, 14 and 6 is 20, so 38 take away 20 is 18. So 18 must only like apples. 42 people said they liked bananas, so that means the whole of our banana circle here, whole of that circle has to add to 42. 14 add 6 is 20, add 4 is 24. 42 take away 24 is going to also be 18. So 18 people like bananas only. 14 people said they liked cherries, so that means the whole of our cherry circle has to add to 14. Well, we've got 6 and 4, that makes 10. So 10 take away from 14, take away 10 is going to be 4. So 4 people only like cherries. That's that bit done. Now the last bit is this outside. If we've got 80 people in total, that means all of our Venn diagram has to add to 80. So far, I've got 18 and 14 and 6 and 18 and 4 and 4. So we've got 64. So if we take that away from 80, that means 16 people don't like any fruit. Okay, now that takes us on to question B. Calculate the probability that a person at random likes none of the fruit. Well, the number of people that like none of the fruit are 16. That is not a probability, it's 16 out of 80. 16 out of 80, you can divide the top and bottom by 16. It's the same as 1/5. You can divide by 4 if you like, make it 4/20, which is the same as 1/5.